Hey foodies, it's Crystal. Welcome back to my Gadget Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make slow cooker collard greens with smoked turkey, and I'm using my Elite 8.5 quart slow cooker. So I've got 2 pounds of collards, and I am starting off by removing the stem, rolling up the collard leaf, and then slicing. If you want to speed up the process, cut several leaves and then stack them on top of each other, roll them up, and slice away. Next step is to wash them really good. I've got them soaking in some vegetable wash. And while those are soaking, I have a large onion that I am chopping in my KitchenAid mini chopper. So now that my onions are all chopped up, onion is all chopped up, I'm transferring that to a bowl, and I am now going to add in a few cloves of garlic. I don't know, what's that, like 8 or 9? I use this already peeled garlic from the grocery store. I love it. Super convenient. You can find it in the produce section. So I'm going to mince the garlic up a little bit, and then I'm going to add that to the bowl with my onion. And the next step is to add 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, a little sprinkle of some kosher salt, and then a little bit of red pepper flakes. So I'm going to mix everything together, and then I'm going to pop this bowl in the microwave for a couple minutes until the onions are soft. And then this is just going to add a little bit of flavor, a little bit of extra flavor in the slow cooker. So I'm putting my onion mixture in the bottom of the slow cooker that I've already sprayed with some nonstick cooking spray. And I'm adding in half of my collard greens, and I am sprinkling that with some Creole seasoning. And then I am adding about a tablespoon of sugar. This is going to cut the bitterness of the greens. Then I'm topping that with the other half of the collards that I have left, some more Creole seasoning, and then a little bit more sugar. And then next I top the greens with my smoked turkey. I'm using legs. And then I'm adding 4 cups of water mixed with the better than bouillon, roasted garlic mixed with the roasted chicken. And then that's it. It's ready to cook. Put the lid on, come back in about 8 hours, and this is what you got. Those greens shrunk down to nothing, y'all. Y'all see how these greens played me? Anyways, I took the turkey legs out, and I am removing the meat from the bones. And then the final step is to add the meat back into the slow cooker, give it a nice stir, and that's it. Easy peasy greens, no fuss. This is something that can be cooking while you're at work, running errands, whatever. It practically cooks itself. I serve these greens with some yummy slow cooker candy carrots. That video will be coming up soon, so be on the lookout. And then I also made this yummy unstuffed slow cooker cordon bleu chicken. Oh my gosh, so good. That video is coming too. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. I promise you it really helps me out, and I appreciate it. If you're here and you're not subscribed, hit that button, yo, subscribe, and click that bell so you get notifications. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and remember, get out of that drive-thru and get into the kitchen. Bye.